Hi, this is Aunt Bee. Sneak preview of poppy seed dressing that was made famous in Granbury, Texas. This is delicious over chicken salad or just about anything. On top of that, along with some toasties and then a fruit salad that I'll be making. You take the kiwi and pineapple, grapes, and strawberries, just whatever fruit, even cantaloupe and watermelon. This is delicious on this as a dressing. It is absolutely scrumptious. So I'll be bringing you the recipes of these and showing you step by step how to make them. This is an awful loud. This is one of those ninjas that get the job done. So I didn't have the sound on it, but I will show you all the ingredients on the poppy seed dressing. The more you blend it, the better it gets. It has 3 cups of sugar in it. No, 4. And so it'll take a while to do it, but it is a great, you slowly add the cooking oil, the Crisco cooking oil, and it makes a great salad dressing. Thank you so much, and I will be making the other videos of this all ingredients and get it all together. It's a great meal. Great lunch or brunch. Anytime, actually. Thank you again. Please subscribe and hit the bell and share. Here's a little about the Mary Hart that made this famous, this poppy seed dressing and all the ingredients. She was very, very famous in our little historical town. I sure hope that you enjoy this, and the recipe is there, and I will be making this real soon, step by step, showing you how to make the poppy seed dressing. Looking forward to showing you step by step how to make this famous poppy seed dressing. Please share, ring the bell, and subscribe. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.